Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get not actual phone calls in any Android smartphones. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Fake Call Screen Prank Call. So on the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening it will ask you some permission, just click on allow. Click on allow all. Now here you will see a various options here like caller, call now, schedule, contact, ringtone, voice, team, and different more options here. So you can click on this call now if you want to get a not actual phone call. So let me try to do a phone call. So now you can see here I'm getting a phone call. When you can receive it, so you can see here it's exactly showing if I am talking with someone. So you can just end the call. So you can click on the caller also, and here you can set different caller name, caller number, when you can add your own custom picture here depending upon your needs. And once you're done, you can just click on the save to save the caller name. You can schedule the time also. You can add a context here. You can add a ringtones also. You can add your voice also. You can add some themes also here. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this applications. So by using this application, you can easily get not actual phone calls in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.